Hi, I'm just going to show some of the functionality of VEM inside CRM 2011. You'll be familiar with the functionality from the version for CRM 4, but we're soon going to release VEM for 2011, so this is a little taster for the functionality in this platform. Okay, we're going to start off with the Customer Reconnect template and open the VEM template editor, and we're just going to add a few bits and pieces to the end of this template. The first thing that I will put in is a monitored link. Just call it VEM on the web, and we'll point this to our already set up monitored link. And the next thing I want to do is to add a manage profile link, and I'm going to point that back to the same template. So this means if we've set up a couple of updatable fields inside this template, we'll be able to do everything in the same template. I'm just going to choose first name and last name, something quite easily visible as well. Oops. Last name. There we go. Okay. And I'm also going to test the confirm subscriptions functionality again within the same template. So let's just include yes, we will render the current subscription information for these three lists, and I'm going to point it back to the same template. The last thing we need to do is to put in a placeholder for the submit button. Okay, so now we've updated our Customer Reconnect template. We're going to go to the marketing section and just have a look at the one contact which I've got in this organization, and send a quick campaign to this record. And I'm going to choose to use a template. This is a new feature in CRM 2011. And we say OK, create. So now we're going to look in quick campaigns and wait for email to be created. Should only take a couple of seconds, hopefully. There we go. And drill into this email. And we can see that this has been rendered. So we have the monitored link here, we have a manage profile link, we have the two fields which are updatable in the online, will be updatable, but they're just static fields here at the moment, and we have the placeholder for the subscription lists and a link to update those subscriptions. So I can go straight away and hit the monitored link, and you can see that we're redirected through straight away. Okay. Now I'm going to I will check on the registration of that in just a moment, but just let's go to the update profile link, and you can see we go straight to this page, simple template. Let's just test by updating. these fields, press submit, and you can see that the full name has been updated here. Okay, and the last thing we're going to do is to confirm subscriptions. You can see at the moment that all of these subscription titles are ticked. We want to untick all of them, and you can see that these are now being rendered unticked. So let's go and have a look at the registered information within CRM. Go to the VEM section and have a look at the subscriptions. You can see that we've generated 3 unsubscribes, one for each of these, and if we have a look at the email clicks, we can see that we've generated a profile update. This was when we changed the name, and we a subscription check and a subscription update. Now the only reason that we haven't got a monitored link event in here is we're coming within the same CRM, so if this email had actually been allowed to go external, then that would have registered in here as well. Okay, that's the end of the short demo. Thanks.